You bring CPUs everywhere, so the variety where you can put RISC-V in is unlimited. The RISC-V core, what we are offering, goes into every daily life product.
Hi, it's Eamon at Embedded World at the Andes Technology booth with Florian. So they've got some really innovative stuff using the RISC-V architecture. So Florian, what does Andes do with this technology?
Hey Eamon, great to be here. Andes, we are a IP manufacturer, so we do RISC-V IP. Like here, our latest product that is really innovative. It's on 13 stage, out of order. You have 4 wide issues. You can have it several cores together, and that is something to replace ARM A72 or even higher performance. That is what we are offering now. We also have something we are offering longer. So here you have a board which is from Renesas. It can run Linux on RISC-V. Let me show this a little bit more to the camera. Super exciting thing. And yeah, that's available today. Now that's a development board, but some of the partners in the ecosystem get away further. How does it look, Eamon?
Looks pretty good. Is this a single board computer?
That's a single board computer, you bet, and it can run Linux.
Nice.
For me, it looks like a Raspberry Pi, but it's not.
We love things that you can actually get.
You can get this. You can buy this today. Asus
Good.
made it, so they are in Hall 2. And
Nice.
that has an affordable price for RISC-V.
Good. Obviously, fantastic technology, great processing.
Yes.
What do you think is the kind of ideal application that if a design engineer saw your product and said, "Oh, this is a good thing"? What kind of design engineer do you reckon we'd be looking at?
That's a great question. I mean, you have so many different applications, but the main thing is today you have a CPU, a brain, you have it everywhere. In your washing machine, in your 5G antenna, in your AC, in your fridge. She's calling the supermarket if it's empty. Like, no beer, bring more beer.
Yeah.
You bring CPUs everywhere, so the variety where you can put RISC-V in is unlimited. Today our customers, just give you an example, we are in SSDs already, we're in general purpose microcontroller like the one I just showed, we are in automotive, so customers building it into cars already, our RISC-V, we are certified for automotive.
Oh, excellent.
ISO 26262. It's just amazing where you can see it everywhere today.
Cool. I'm trying to think of what other questions. So I did see a flash up about a karaoke thing. So what kind of applications? What kind of applications have you got on display there?
Different ones. So here you have the Tinker port. That's all based on the Renesas chip. But the real interesting thing is you mentioned the karaoke.
Yeah.
So you have the chip everywhere. Imagine you have a microphone like this, and you have the karaoke machine inside. So you have a CPU who is taking the songs, who is taking your voice, amplifying it, and that's done by a RISC-V CPU. It uses some clever SIMD extension. It's something like a DSP inside the CPU. And then they can do all this music on the fly in the microphone and bring more technology. But you see also there is security. We are really working heavily on security. Everything is connected to the internet. You have the security. We have the touchscreen displays in cars and so on. Like I said, the RISC-V core, what we are offering, goes into every daily life product.
Oh, nice. So what would you say is the one thing or more things that really sets Andes apart from other people who use RISC-V?
That's a good question. I think it's the quality and the know-how we have built up. So Andes is not a new company. We are doing the CPU design since 17 years.
Okay.
We have very solid design processes. We have excellent documentation. Very often we hear good feedback on this from very big companies like Renesas, for example. And we have a big customer base. For example, we have shipped over 12 billion of cores together with our partners. And to ship this volume, you need to have a very solid rocket core. And then on top of this, we are offering help for our customers. When they have a problem taking our core to make the whole chip, we are supporting them to make it more easier, more faster. So I think that are the things where Andes is really differentiating and bringing added value to our customers.
Cool, nice. So been a great interview. Very interesting technology.
It's RISC-V. It is
yes,
the most
yes.
interesting thing on the planet right now.
Nice. At the end of these interviews, obviously, Embedded World, huge show, especially for Europe.
Definitely.
How have you found it this year? It's 2023. We're just past the pandemic, debatably. Any changes you've seen? Any big trends you notice?
It's a great show. There is one trend I see is that more IP companies, more semiconductor companies attending. And then overall, we had this pandemic the last years. It was a little bit low, but this year we see good volume, we see high traction. So we are very positive. For us personally, it was an amazing show.
Good.
We will be here definitely next year as well.
Nice. Well, we will see you again.
Perfect.
Cool. Great to talk to you, Florian.
Hey, Anna. It was a pleasure.
So it's a lovely sunny day in Haywards Heath. That was our interview with Andes Technology. Very interesting IP cores for many applications. So if you'd like to learn more about that and the chipsets that they're in, click in the description.